Draw a vulture easily for kids. Thank you. Draw a vulture easily for kids. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel for more drawings like this. Thank you.